So the second example is really an extension of example 1, which is just to demonstrate again how, depending on what you're looking for, whether you're trying to calculate a volume, a mass or a density, you would rearrange the equation. So we've got the same figures as example 1, but this time we're going to pretend that we don't know the volume. We know the weight of the liquid, 22.5 grams, and we know the density once again, 0.75 grams, but this time we're being asked to calculate the volume. So if we look at our equation, so we know that density is equal to mass or weight divided by volume. So therefore mass is equal to volume times density. What we want to calculate though is volume, so by rearranging that again leads us to volume equals mass divided by density. So really all you need to know is that one equation and the principles behind rearranging an equation. So let's look at what we know and what we don't know. So the volume is equal to the mass we know is 22.5 grams. And the density we know is 0.75 grams per mil. So volume is 22.5 divided by 0.75, which equals 30 mils. We can also use it, solve it using proportional sets. So again, we draw our table and we have weight in grams and volume in mils. I tend to write the units when I'm writing my answers out, just because it helps me to keep a track on what units I'm supposed to be working in and hopefully minimises the chance of an error of forgetting to convert into the correct units. So we know that the density is 0.75 grams in 1 mil, and we know that the weight of our final product is 22.5 grams. So we're trying to calculate x down in the bottom right hand corner. So that gives us an equation of x over 22.5 is equal to 1 over 0.75. By rearranging the equation, we then get x equals 22.5 divided by 0.75. which again gives us an answer of 30 mils.